Hello everyone. When it comes to health and well-being, we always talk about exercise, the importance of diet, importance of lifestyle changes, all these different parameters. But we often forget about one of the most integral component of health and well-being, which is sleep. Having a good night's sleep alone can actually just fix a lot of different issues that are very common in today's society. And when it comes to sleep, this is mostly very undermined or under-focused when we talk about the wellness of a person. Let's look at different sleep problems today. Many a times, how do we even find out that whether we are sleeping correct or not? Many a times, we don't really understand that we are suffering from a sleep disorder until it reaches to a certain stage. The different sleep problems that one can have. The first one is trouble falling asleep. This is a very common finding that most of us go through, because we know that sometimes we go to bed very late and we really try and struggle hard to even go into sleep. It's a very, very common disorder. Second is trouble falling or staying asleep. Even after you fall asleep, sometimes you have a lot of difficulty staying asleep, and you go through series of toss and turn, and you get a lot of disturbance during the sleep time. There are so many different reasons why this can happen, because it can even happen like because of a pathological problem. Like, if you're suffering from diabetes, you will have to get up to go to the loo, or you may have frequent urination. So if you're actually just suffering from any other obstructive cardiopulmonary disorder, or obstructive chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, you will have those kind of breathlessness. You may have like running nose and cold and breathing trouble. So all these things can actually just make you having a disturbance like when you are asleep. The third one is a combination of both. You may find difficulty falling asleep, and you will also find difficulty in staying asleep. So both these things can come together as a combination. The fourth one is something that we don't even realize that we have a problem, because we always talk about that we are not a morning person. Like I'm very, very tired in the morning when I wake up. I can't wake up in the morning, and if I wake up also, I don't have energy to perform. So this is also a very common sleep disorder, that when you wake up in the morning, you don't feel that energy to do anything, or you don't feel refreshed. Sometimes even after waking up, you feel like lying on the bed for another 1 hour, or even more, or you need a bed coffee to even wake up. So all these are sleep disorders like that one can experience. And the last one is a full night's sleep which is filled with a lot of different dreams. Dreams are normally produced on one particular stage of a sleep, which is called as rapid eye movement sleep, or REM sleep. And dreams normally occur during this stage. And some people have dreams which is throughout the sleeping period. So this is also another common disorder that you may find. And there are so many other associated concerns also that are part of disturbed sleep, which is difficulty breathing, or snoring, all these different things are there. But these are the major 5 problems that one can have when it comes to sleep disorders. Thank you for watching.